Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can fix audio or sound related problems or your audio not working issue on your Mac OS. So before just starting video, don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. So to fix audio issues on your Mac, simply first of all you just need to open settings. So in settings just go to sound. After that here just adjust your sound or check if your sound is muted or not, and also select the output sound output channel. After doing this, just go to terminal. So just open terminal and you can copy these commands from notepad, or you can also type these commands. So these commands are given in the description. So just copy these commands from description and paste them in terminal. So after doing this, hope so this will fix your audio issue. So just don't forget to subscribe and also press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.